Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use conditional format. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool that automatically applies specific styles to cells when certain conditions are met. This helps you quickly visualize and analyze data, making trends and patterns immediately apparent. For example, you can highlight all values above 100 or identify duplicate entries across a range of cells. It's incredibly useful for data analysis. To apply basic conditional formatting, first select the range of cells you wish to format. Then, navigate to the Conditional Formatting menu. Here, you will find several preset options, such as highlighting cells that are greater than a specific number or identifying the top 10% of values. Simply choose your desired rule and specify the condition and formatting style. It's a straightforward process. For more advanced scenarios, you can create custom rules using formulas. This allows for highly specific conditions, such as formatting an entire row based on a single cell's value. Beyond simple highlighting, explore data bars, color scales, and icon sets to add dynamic visual cues directly within your cells. Remember, you can manage multiple rules, setting their priority and deciding if subsequent rules should apply. Maintaining your conditional formatting is simple with the Rules Manager. This central hub allows you to view, edit, and delete all rules applied to your worksheet. You can easily modify a rule's conditions or its applied format. If you no longer need conditional formatting, you can clear rules from a selected range of cells or remove all rules from the entire sheet with just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.